I'm going to be showing you how to use CDC's Milestones. This is a wonderful app that will help you track your child's development. I've used it for all of my kids and foster children, and it's been wonderful. If you ever had the question like, is my child on track? Are they where the other children are? This is where you want to go. So we're going to go take a look at one of my babies. This is Colton. He's 33 months old. Now, he completed his 2-year checklist, and he's just between 30 months and 3 years. So I'm going to click the 30 months checklist. I completed that already. So what that looks like when you go in here is that it asks you some questions about what your child can do. They're in the social, language, cognitive, movement, and movement areas. And you even get a section that says when to act early. So you don't have to worry about how your kid's developing or what the warning signs are, because it'll let you know. When it asks you each question, you also get a video that explains how it works. So this is an example of a child playing next to other children so that you know exactly what it looks for. You may not know the answer to a question, so you kind of do a little test. So if you have a question like this one says your child can follow simple routines like pick up the toys when you say cleanup time. If you don't know, then you can go do an experiment and say, hey Colton, pick up the toys, it's cleanup time. And then you start singing the cleanup song, and if he starts picking up the toys, then that's part of that routine. It could be a bath time or story time or any other routine that you might have. So you just go through each section, answer the questions with yes, not sure, or not yet, and just move through those. And when you get to the end, it'll give you a summary of what you said. And so for his, it'll ask you some more questions about, are you missing some of these things? Have they lost their skills? They're not doing something I expect them to be doing. You have concerns, etc. Usually I don't, or I would make notes there. And then here's some information here about some concerns you might be having. You can click on this link right here, cdc.gov/concerned to act early. Then you get a lovely summary here. And you can email the summary, you can show the doctor, you can do a well visit snapshot about the things that your child is able to do. Things to share with the doctor, and you can edit your responses. This is just a wonderful way to keep track of your child's development. You can do multiple children by just adding a child. I highly, highly, highly encourage you to use this, especially if you're just a parent or if you're a foster parent like I am. When kids come in and out, especially if you're a foster parent and you're really tracking closely what that child needs and how they're responding to the things that you're doing in your home to help them grow and heal from the trauma that they've experienced. It's been wonderful. I hope you enjoy this. Have a great day.